Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to prepare canned salmon, updated. Drain the can, reserve liquids for broth use, and flake the salmon gently with a fork. Remove large bones if desired or mash them for calcium and texture. Mix with lemon, mayo, or yogurt for a quick salad, or fold into rice, pasta, or tacos. Season with salt and pepper and finish with fresh herbs for bright flavor and balance. Start by opening the can and pouring the liquid into a small bowl to save for soups or stews. Gently flake the salmon into a mixing bowl, checking for large bones that you can remove or mash into the flesh. Add a squeeze of citrus and a pinch of salt to brighten the flavor. Combine with herbs, onion, or capers for contrast, and taste as you go to adjust seasoning and texture for serving. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more cooking tips and recipe updates. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth as a thoughtful read that can change how you think about money and habits, which pairs oddly well with simple, clever cooking choices. Check the description for the link and other deals, and support the channel if you find it useful. Now let's get back to the video. For a simple salmon salad, mix flaked fish with mayo, lemon juice, diced celery, and chopped dill, then serve chilled on greens or bread. To make a warm dish, fold salmon into buttered pasta with cream or olive oil, lemon zest, and black pepper for a cozy meal. Try salmon on toast with mashed avocado and a squeeze of lemon for a quick snack. These options keep prep short and flavors bright for everyday eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.